For our next round of Footwork Friday videos, we're starting off with this really fun crab walk sequence. Now, I have a video that goes into depth about doing the crab walk, drills, and some variations on my YouTube channel. So if you haven't seen it, I encourage you to check that out because it will probably help you with this one. So this move is pretty simple. The steps are: right foot gets on its heels, turns its toes to the right. From here, you get on the toe wheels and the heel will kick out to the right, and then you bring it back. So on the toe wheels again, and the heels turn in, then on the heels and the toes turn in. You're going to do the exact same thing, but with the other leg. Now, it does not matter which leg you start with, just know it's one leg and then the other. From here, both feet will get on its heels and open up so you're in a V shape. Then the heels will come out so your feet are basically parallel again. Then you bring it back. This part to me is the hardest because it usually throws off my balance. So bend your knees and center yourself. Once in the original parallel position, we do the open tic-tac movement that I teach in my crab walk video. Here, I'm opening to my left first. Remember, one foot is on the toe wheels. Here it's my right and it's moving the heel in. The other foot is on the heels, moving the toes out to the left. Come back to the parallel position on the same wheels you did to move out. Then you do it to the other side and back to parallel and you're done. Now this version shows the foot sliding out in that first move, which is how I do the move, so you can slide it out and slide it back in. And that's it. I really enjoyed learning this move. It's a fun way to drill those heel toe crab walk movements so that you get much more comfortable doing it. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. This month there will also be Footwork Friday videos going up every week and longer tutorials throughout the week, so be sure to let me know what it is you'd like to learn. And if you try this out, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. See you next week.